Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shubham Anvekar and today we are going to discuss in depth about premium and discount zones. Okay, so if you have not watched my previous video on premium and discount zones, I want you guys to go and watch it. So in today's video, I am going to teach you guys about the hourly candle power of 3. Hourly candle. In previous video, I have explained about weekly open. I have explained about through day open. So today I am going to explain about hourly candle power of 3. So in last video, as I said, if you are bullish, if your weekly bias is bullish, what do we expect? We expect market to come below weekly open, give us SMT and give us buy opportunity and we take a trade. Let's say we get that opportunity, market starts, goes below weekly open, gives us SMT, gives us buy entry and market goes up. So now market is above the weekly open. So the next day starts and next day we are still bullish. Our bias is still bullish, but this time we are above weekly open. So at that particular point of time, we use our 1 minute. Do we have an eraser over here? No, I don't. So at that point, particular point of time, hourly candle, like sorry, we use through day open. See, this is through day open, SMT. So if market is bullish. 1 minute guys, this guy, whoever it is. Okay, so if market is bullish and we are above the weekly open, and when we come to trade next day, we use through day open as a premium and a discount zone. So if we are bullish, we expect market to come below the through day open, give us SMT and give us buys. So there is a third case scenario. The third case scenario is what? What if, Shubham, market is above weekly, above through day? In those case scenario, what should we do? Let's say, see this. This is, I am in buys over here. Okay, what? So market is above weekly and market is above through day open. In those case scenarios, that is the exact time you look for hourly candle power of 3. Market came below this hourly candle. This is the beginning of 3-hour candle, and market came below this, gave us SMT on euro over here, and also came below this hourly open and gave us SMT over here, buys, and market started going up. So let's summarizing, if you guys have understood. So for if the bias is bullish, first step is see if the market is above the weekly open. Then the second step is see if the market is above the through day open. Then this is the right time to look for hourly candle power of 3. And once if market comes below this, below a candle opening and we get SMT, that is the right time to enter for buys. So hope you guys understood this insight about how to use hourly candle as a power of 3. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this video with your ICT friends so their concepts might get clear and they become better traders. So thank you guys. If you have any doubts, you can text me on Telegram for any help. I will be there for helping you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.